Let me be honest with you for a second. Most people don't fail at making money online because they're not smart. They fail because they're trying to do too much, too fast. Hi, my name is David Langford. And if you've made it to part 5 of this series, I want to say this first. Well done. Seriously. Most people start, but very few stay long enough to actually understand how to make money online in a real, sustainable way. So the fact that you're here tells me you're not just curious, you're committed. Now let me say something that might surprise you. Most people don't fail at online income because they're lazy or not smart enough. They fail because they're overwhelmed, and honestly, that's not your fault. Now, why most people feel overwhelmed online? If you've ever searched how to make money online, you know exactly what I mean. One person tells you to do affiliate marketing. Another says dropshipping is the way. Then it's YouTube, then AI, then crypto, then something else. And before you even start, you're tired. So people freeze. They overthink. They jump from one thing to the next. And eventually they say, this just isn't for me. But here's the truth no one tells you. The problem isn't online income. The problem is trying to learn everything at once, without a clear path. Why does the topic of how to make money online feel so confusing? Let me simplify this. There are thousands of ways to make money online. But there are only a few core skills behind all of them. Skills like understanding attention, communicating value, building trust, and following a process consistently. When beginners skip these fundamentals, everything feels random. Affiliate marketing feels random. Content feels pointless. Results feel inconsistent. But when you focus on the fundamentals first, everything starts to click. That's when online income stops feeling like luck and starts feeling logical. The simplicity rule. I want you to really hear this part. Simple beats complex. Every single time. You do not need multiple platforms, multiple offers, or multiple strategies. You need one traffic source, one message, and one clear system. That's it. When people simplify, they stop feeling stressed. They stop doubting themselves. They start making progress. And progress builds confidence. The 3 core focus areas for online income. If your goal is to learn how to make money online, truly, focus only on these 3 areas. Number 1, learn how attention works. People don't wake up wanting to buy links. They want solutions, clarity, and direction. Your job is to help first, not sell first. Number 2, follow a system before trying to improve it. This is where most beginners mess up. They try to customize things they don't yet understand. Instead, borrow what already works. Follow it step by step. Learn why it works. Customization comes later. Number 3, take imperfect action consistently. You don't need confidence to start. Confidence is a result of action. One video, one post, one conversation. That's how real online income is built. What online income really looks like. Let me set expectations properly. Online income doesn't explode overnight. It grows in stages. First, nothing happens. Then small wins. Then inconsistency. Then, if you stay focused, momentum. That's the moment people realize, wait, this is actually working. But only if you don't quit during the quiet phase. And yes, that phase can feel boring. But boring is stable, and stability leads to freedom. Why structure changes everything. Most people don't need motivation. They need structure. A clear path removes doubt. Daily steps remove overwhelm. Structure creates momentum. And once momentum kicks in, motivation takes care of itself. If you want to go deeper into this process, by the way, I've linked the full playlist in the description below so you can follow everything step by step instead of guessing what to watch next. What I want you to do next, before you leave this video, do this. Stop searching for new opportunities. Choose one path and commit for 90 days. Measure progress by skills, not just money. Stay consistent, even when results feel slow. If you do that, online income becomes a matter of when, not if. Now, if you want real clarity and a structured starting point, I want to invite you to a free 4-day training. This training breaks down the exact step-by-step process beginners can follow, the most common mistakes that hold people back, and how to build online income without overwhelm. It's designed for real people, not tech experts. You can click the link in the description below and get instant access to the first lesson. And listen, if you're still watching right now, you're already doing something right. You're learning. You're showing up. You're moving forward. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part of the series. I wish you all the best as you continue this journey toward growth, clarity, and freedom.